So welcome back. We're going to do some more graphing on linear equations. Looking at this example, I have this equation y equals 3/2 x minus 2. We want to graph that. Again, we want to find three solutions to start with. What we're discovering, an easy solution to find is just picking x to be 0. So if I pick x to be 0, that's going to help me discover what y has to be to make this true. So if I substitute that in, I'm going to have y equals 3/2 times 0 minus 2. Well, 3/2 times 0 is going to be 0, and 0 minus 2, that's going to be a negative 2. So what we pick up on is, when x is 0, y is going to correspond to be a negative 2. That's going to be one of the solutions. Now, the next value for y, I could pick a 1 like we've been doing, but I really want to avoid fractions. So what I want to do is pick a number that can be divided by 2. I'm thinking, let's use a 2. So I'm going to choose x to be, this is my x column, my y column, so I'm going to pick x to be my 2. So I'm going to have y equals then 3/2 times 2 minus 2. We do know that 2 goes into 2 like one time. 3 times 1 is 3. So I'm going to have 3 minus 2, and 3 minus 2 is going to give me a 1. So if x is 2, y is going to equal 1. And staying with that theme, another number that I can divide by 2 would be probably 4. So I'm going to choose 4 as a value. So 3/2 times 4 minus 2. Again, 2 is going to go into 4 twice. 3 times 2 is 6. So that's 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 would be 4. So I'm picking up on when x is 4, y was also 4. So that's going to be another solution. Again, you can probably see this pattern. Notice that I'm probably going to be picking multiples of 2 for my x's. They're increasing by 2. If you look at your y's, they are indeed increasing by the same value. They're increasing by 3. So these are increasing by 2. These are increasing by 3. So I can probably predict that my next value is probably going to be 6, 7. So if I pick 6 in there, you can probably see that 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 3 would have been 9. 9 minus 2 would indeed give me 7. Okay? So I'm kind of doing a little extra. I really don't need to do that. All I was really asked to do is just find three solutions. So let's just plot these first three. So 0, negative 2 was my first one. 2, 1. So 2, 1 is my next solution. And 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So hopefully those 3 points, let me find my straight edge here. So I should have those 3 points that line up. And that should be my graph. So I'm going to try to draw a line through those 3 points. So again, I've achieved my goal. I found my 3 solutions, I put them in a table, I plotted my solutions, and then I graphed my line, and that achieves our objective. And again, remember the line represents all the ordered pairs that make this equation true. And that's going to be a theme, especially when we talk about real life application. So stay tuned, we'll do another one.